Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I'm doing a project for my creative year for February. This month it is Forgotten Colors, so I figured I would just work in my journal. I have this page that had some leftover paint thrown on there, and I decided I would gesso it a little bit just to reduce the brightness of that color, because I really didn't know what I was gonna do. But then you don't see any of this at all in the end. That's okay. For the prompt Forgotten Colors, I was thinking about this and I'm not sure how forgotten the colors are, but I bought these oil pastels a long time ago. In fact, the store I bought those ones out of that I end up using went out of business, I don't know how many years ago, a couple of years ago at least. So I've had them for a while. I've used them maybe once or twice. So I consider this whole package forgotten. So I thought I should pull it out and create something with it. So I was also looking at the word prompts, and I saw tropical, and then that made me think of fish. So I googled fish and I found this fun sort of close-up of the front of a fish. And so I decided that's what I was going to draw with my oil pastels. My forgotten supplies, mostly. So now the package did say water soluble, so I thought I would kind of blend them with a baby wipe, which was damp. But I didn't think it blended very well. I try a few times to get the blending thing going. And I think I try hitting it with a brush full of water too. But I don't think they're really water-soluble oil pastels. I think that term is misused on this. They might be a little bit water reactive, but not enough to consider them water soluble. And like I said, I haven't used these oil pastels much. I'm not very experienced with using them. So this is probably like my second project creating with them. So it's a trial by error process. And I think I end up just kind of building up the oil pastels till they're nice and thick and creamy, and then they blend a little bit better. So there is my tropical fish. My nephew took part, and if I can find his artwork, I'll share a picture at the end so you can see what he created. I did outline it, helped him with the shapes a little bit, but he colored it. I hope you liked that. If you haven't joined the My Creative Year Facebook page, check it out. The link will be in the description box below. And thanks for watching.